You got a bite, man. Pull it. What are we gonna go fishing for?
Bluegill.
Bluegills. Whatever else we can catch. Alright.
No
Chill here. So we're not in the sun. So today we're gonna be fishing for bluegill. So
yeah,
got a
bluegill's
bobber
in
set
that
up
water.
here.
Bluegill's in water.
A little weight here, bullet weight to kind of weigh down the hook. We'll be using this little tiny hook because bluegill are small and that's all you need in order to catch them. Alright.
I'll put this on my...
That one?
Yeah.
Alright. Now for more information. Bluegill are freshwater fish that live in lakes, ponds, and streams. They are distinguished by their blue gill plates and markings. Bluegill are omnivorous and will feed on smaller fish, small organisms, and plants. They prefer to live under the cover of rocks, grass, and logs in order to hide from predators such as bass and herons. Alright, now let's see if we can catch one.
You puddle. Cut out.
What'd you see?
Frog.
A frog? Where at?
Right here.
Oh, that's a big frog. Let's zoom in on it. Yep. He's camouflaged. He thinks we can't see him. That's cool.
He's changing color
Yeah.
to be camouflage. Like that.
Yep.
Maybe he'll go right here. Jump to there. Right
Mm-hmm.
here. He was. Maybe he was over here. Then he jumped right here. Maybe he did that.
Yeah. Oh, you got a bite, man. Pull it.
He's a big guy.
Whoa. It's a big guy.
You can't have him like that.
No.
No, Daddy?
No.
Because the water bottle's not big.
Yeah, this is a nice one. Okay, hold it up. Hold it up so we can get a nice picture with you in it. Hold it up. Alright, that's a fat bluegill. So, alright, let's put him here. Let's get a...
He's moving. I want to touch him.
He's big, huh? Okay, let me get the pliers so we can take him out.
I put a rocket in the eye.
Yeah, don't do that. Alright, you wanna take it out for him? Okay, put it on the hook. Okay, you wanna let him go?
Yeah.
Okay. No, don't hold there. That's spiky. Hold his head like that.
Like there?
Yeah. Yeah. Because he has a spiky on his back. Oh, just do that. Just
It's scary.
Isn't it scary? Okay, I'll do it.
Huh?
Okay. Alright. Bye, dude.
Hands dirty.
You go wash it. Wash it in the water.
What water here?
Yes.
Why? How can they bite me?
They won't. That was a fat guy, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Good. Alright.
So dirty.
Hey boys and girls, thanks for watching our video. We definitely had fun catching fish today. Do you guys like fishing? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content. We'll be doing some more fishing hopefully, and more toys and playtime. See you next time. Bye.